Hello, dear students. I am Samir Velankar and I welcome all of you to the fifth video on P and NP class problems. In this video, I will tell you how to prove whether a given problem Y is NP complete or not. We want to prove for some problem Y that Y belongs to NP complete. This Y belongs over here. Now, when will be Y NP complete? There are two qualifications Y should have. Y must be NP hard. Check this. Y, this problem Y is in the NP hard set, correct or not? And the second qualification is Y must be NP. That means verification algorithm must exist for Y in polynomial time, and Y must be NP hard means every problem in NP must be reducible to Y in polynomial time. Isn't it so? If you are able to prove these two things, then you can surely say Y is NP complete. Now, how do you prove this? Let's see the first point. How can you prove that Y is NP hard? To prove that Y is NP hard, oh my God, you might think that I will have to take all the NP problems and I will have to check whether they are reducible to Y. This is such a difficult task, isn't it? Working with so many problems is so difficult. How can you take millions of problems over here and prove each and every one is reducible to Y? Because if you do this, only then you will be able to prove that Y is NP hard. Well, the good news is we have the theorem here, which we saw in the earlier videos. If you want to prove that Y is NP hard, then what you can do is you can take some NP hard problem that you already know. You have proved earlier that there exists a problem X which is NP hard. You know this. And now, if you are able to reduce X to problem Y, this is the problem in question, isn't it? You want to check whether Y is NP hard. So if you convert X into Y, if you are able to do this in polynomial time, this reduction in polynomial time, X is reducible to Y, you say, and you know that X is NP hard, isn't it? You already knew this, that X is NP hard, and X is reducible to Y, then surely Y is also NP hard. Because if there exists no polynomial time algorithm for X, then there exists absolutely no polynomial time algorithm for Y. Remember the theorem that we saw in the earlier videos. If problem A cannot be solved, check that A is reducible to B. A is reduced to B in polynomial time. Here it is. And if problem A cannot be solved in polynomial time, then problem B cannot be solved in polynomial time. So if A is reduced to B, and you know that A is NP hard, there exists absolutely no polynomial time algorithm, then surely B is also NP hard. This is what the theorem says. Now, that means to prove that problem Y is NP complete, check this or not. You want to know whether it is NP complete or not. Step A is show that problem Y is NP hard first of all. Problem Y, here we go. This problem should be NP hard. That is, show some problem, some NP hard problem X, which you already know it is NP hard, is reducible to problem Y in polynomial time. If you are able to prove this, that is some NP hard problem X is reducible to Y, then Y is surely NP hard. The second point to prove here is that you should show that Y is in NP class. This is such an important point because after proving that Y is NP hard, okay, that means you know Y belongs to this NP hard set. Y is inside this set. You also should show that Y belongs to NP, isn't it? Y belongs to NP. Only then Y will be in the intersection of the both. But how do you prove that Y is an NP? You have to find out a polynomial time algorithm for verification. I hope you have memorized the definitions. Step B is show that problem Y, which is in question, is in NP class. That is to show that there exists a polynomial time algorithm to verify the given problem. If you are able to do these two things, then surely you can prove that Y is NP complete. I have got an example here to show how to prove whether a problem Y is NP complete or not. And we will use a classic graph example called clique problem. Many of you have heard, I am sure. Don't worry, I will explain what is graph problem. This is a graph problem and it is known as clique problem. And somebody asks us to prove that clique problem is NP complete. Is NP complete. Then what we will do is we will take some existing NP hard problem and we will convert it into clique problem. Okay, and we will try to find out that is there any polynomial time algorithm for verification of clique problem. If we do that, then we have proved that clique is also NP. Then it is both NP hard and NP complete. After proving these two, we must have proved then by that time that clique problem is NP complete. And many such examples we would like to see. We will take some arbitrary problem which was not known to us, and amazingly we will find out that it is NP complete. Let's do this in the next video. Thank you very much.